We are assembling the zombie jar box. So I'm going to start, you can see here on the piece of the zombie head, part of his skull is broken away. So this is the corner with his brain of his, that is his brain. I'm gonna put I'm gonna put glue on that. I'm gonna put this right here in this corner. And before I put his head on, I'm gonna put the jar lid on. And I have attached some foam tape here to the back so that his mouth and his nose look a little more hollow. So I'm going to pop this piece up. Put the little label on his potion tag, and I think I want to pop up the big eyeball. There we are. And now to attach the sides, the side and the bottom, I'm going to glue this into place first. And you want to line this up, making sure that your edges going out are straight. So apply some glue here. Like that. Then I'm going to put glue on these 3 tabs. And what I'm going to do is line it up here to the bottom. And let this corner fall into place, because you'll see that this corner is straightened off. It's got a straight edge, rather than fiddling with a rounded corner. And then before I put down this other edge, corner edge, I'm going to first attach the side and then just squeeze that into place. Hope I don't make too much of a mess with my glue. Okay. And now you can just go ahead and put glue on all your tabs. I'm going to bring this over and I'm going to line up the bottom and the sides. And then let those two corners just fall into place. Flip it over and then I can reach inside and push those down like so. Okay, I'm going to use some Cyndy twine to attach my potion bottle. Make my bow a little shorter. There we go. Trim off my edges. And there is my zombie jar box. Thank you for joining me.